Saludos estudiantes, and welcome to another video lesson with me, Señor C. Today, we're diving into using Spanish adjectives, those powerful words that help us describe everything from people to places to things. And before we get started, go ahead, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell so you will know when every new video is added. And if you like this video, hit that like button. All these things help my channel to grow, and I really appreciate your support. Thank you. Now, for our first example. Mi casa es grande y bonita. That means my house is big and pretty. Let's break it down and learn how to describe in Spanish like a pro. So, let's look at the definition of an adjective. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. In English, we use adjectives like tall, funny, or blue to describe nouns or pronouns. Well, in Spanish, it's just the same, but with a twist. Adjectives help us paint a clearer picture. Let me explain. First, here's an important rule. In Spanish, adjectives usually come after the noun when they are side by side. First, here's how it looks in English. The red car. The adjective is red, and car is the noun. Now, check out the Spanish version. El carro rojo. Carro is the noun, and rojo is the adjective. In the Spanish version, the adjective comes after the noun when they are side by side. And as you know, for many rules, there are exceptions. Well, for the side-by-side Spanish rule, there are a few adjectives that are exceptions in that they may be placed before or after the noun. And I will tell you all about these in a future video. But for now, let's get back to our task for today. We'll talk about two rules here that go hand in hand, and that is gender and number agreement. In Spanish, adjectives must agree in gender and number with the noun or pronoun they describe. Let's look at what this means. Take the adjective tall, for example, alto in Spanish. So let's say I want to describe a man as tall and say, the tall man. In Spanish, it's el hombre alto. Hombre is masculine. So I use the masculine form of tall, alto, to agree with the noun and gender. Let's look at another example. Now I want to say, the tall man. Not only must the adjective alto agree in gender, but it must also agree in number. Hombres is the plural of hombre, so alto must change to altos to agree in number, meaning it must be plural since hombre is plural. Making sense so far? Good. Now let's look at the feminine form. Instead of the tall man, I want to say the tall woman. Notice that the O in alto is changed to an A. This is because the word mujer is feminine, so the adjective alta must agree in gender. Now, for the plural. The tall women. The words la, mujer, and alta must become plural to agree. Now that I've explained these rules, here is a common list of adjectives you may use to practice with. Let's read them together. Artístico, bueno, gracioso, desordenado, ordenado, estudioso, inteligente, perezoso, talentoso, tonto, serio, simpático, antipático, trabajador, alto, bajo, bonito, guapo, grande, pequeño, joven, and viejo. Now, let's put it all together with some example sentences. Here are two sentences using the side-by-side noun and adjective format. Luisa es una chica talentosa. Luisa is a talented girl. Yo tengo una casa grande. I have a big house. And here are two that do not use the side-by-side format. Juanito es muy gracioso. Juanito is very funny. Las chicas son simpáticas. The girls are nice. Now it's your turn. Try to describe something or someone in a sentence or two using Spanish adjectives. Remember, adjectives must agree in gender and number with the noun or pronoun they describe. After writing your sentences, read them aloud. If you need to pause here and go back to review the examples for guidance, please do so. And then share your sentences in the comments below. I would love to read them and give you my feedback. So, that does it for today's lesson, estudiantes.
Hasta luego. See you on the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Thank you, and enjoy the música.